Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm Kang here, Fine & Country Estate Agents in Derbyshire. Hope you're well. Today we're in the gorgeous village of Kirk Langley in Ashbourne, located probably about 20 minutes from Ashbourne town itself and probably about 15-20 minutes from Derby city centre. It's got excellent access. The A52 is probably just a mile away, and that will get you straight onto the A38, onto the M1 or M6 for commuting as well. Some great gastro pubs in the area. A lot of this area is touristy, and you've got excellent access to walks, bridle paths, access into cars into water, and lots and lots of gastro pubs and restaurants such the like. So today we're here looking at this gorgeous period property behind me known as the farmhouse. We're on a complex called Nether Burrows Farm, and the period property you see behind me here is for sale. This is a 5-bed with 2 loft rooms, so it could be a 7-bed potentially, 3 reception rooms, and it's got an attached 2-bedroom annex as well. We've got beautiful grounds and gardens, ample parking, and you've got glorious countryside views all around. And today we're going to take a look inside. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for watching this video. I'm sure you look a real charming, historic, characterful property. The period features in the property are fantastic, really high ceilings, deep skirting boards, original sort of farmhouse style kitchen, and then you've got obviously the 2-bedroom, much more modern annex as well. You're in great grounds here. You've got a fantastic private garden to the front, parking and further gardens around the back, and a separate sort of private garden for the annex as well. Access to the property is through more or less a private lane which only feeds this property and 2 others. So you are surrounded by countryside pretty much every which way you look. So if you'd like to learn more about this property or arrange a viewing, give me a call or drop me an email on the details you're about to see on your screen, and hopefully I'll speak to you soon.